Welcome to the How to Set Up Jet Appointments tutorial. Today, you'll learn how to set up Jet appointments for your website. To start setting up your appointments, make sure you've first followed the tutorials on how to set up your services and service providers. Next, navigate to the Jet Appointments tab on your dashboard. Click on Set Up. This will start the setup process. For Services post type, select Services. For Providers post type, select your provider type. In this case, we've got doctors. Set your working hours in the Working Hours tab. You can select the schedule type, duration of appointments, the buffer time before and after, the lock time before, and if you'd like multi-booking. You can select also your days off and working days. Finish the setup process to complete your appointment system. Now you've successfully set up Jet appointments. Test it out on your site. Hover over to your booking page and try it.